If you're a Hamster Kombat CEO, you would have noticed some updates on your game. One of them is the mini game and the other one is the option to buy skins. So today I'll be showing you how to play the mini game and collect the keys for today. If you're tired of the default skin on your hamster, you can buy a new skin by tapping on buy skin, and you'll find lots of skins to choose from with different price ranges. Some even cost as much as 100 million coins. So if you're interested in getting any of these skins, you can buy them. Remember, they do not add to your profit per hour. They only change the skin of your hamster. Who knows, maybe in the future, it might be converted to NFTs just like Notcoin did. But right now, there are no utilities for this apart from changing the skin of your hamster. So if you want to buy any of these skins, tap on the unlock button and tap buy. So that's it for the skin. Let's move to the more important part, which is the mini game. To play the mini game, make sure you're on the exchange tab and tap on mini game. Now for this mini game, you need to move the red and green candles blocking the key so you can move the key out in a straight line. Once the game has loaded, tap on play to play the game and make sure you are ready to move all the candles in 30 seconds. Otherwise, you have to wait for 90 minutes to try again. I feel I'm ready, so I'll start. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Hamster Kombat updates, including daily combos, ciphers, and minigame tutorials. I'll be sharing the minigame tutorials as often as I can. Don't forget, this is still the season of Telegram airdrop, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep claiming your Hamster Kombat coins and boosting your profit per hour daily. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.